Hey everybody, we got out today and checking on everything again and went to some hay fields that we haven't been to since before the storm. And as you'll see here in a few minutes in the video, when we got to one of our places, our hay is in water. Now that's going to put us in a bad spot going into the winter. There'll be more hay that we can cut, so maybe we can still make it all work out. But the place that was flooded, it's pretty bad because there's a hog house lagoon there. And I'm pretty sure that that water is in the water that's our hay sitting in. The hay's already getting some funky growths on it, mold or some type, mildew, something's growing on it, and it's actually white. The ag guy's gonna meet me out here in a little bit, and we're gonna look at it and try to figure out what exactly we got going on with the hay. I'm pretty sure the hay's a loss, but now we got to decide if we can cut and bale what's there now, because maybe we can get more off of it before the winter time. If there's not stuff on it that's, that can't be baled. So that's still a question that we don't have an answer to yet. But just as quick as I know something, I'm going to let y'all know something. But there's a little bit of footage coming up here in just a second of the hay that's in the water. Thank y'all for watching. Hey everybody. We just come by one of our hay fields to check on things. I don't know how good y'all can see that, but our hay's sitting in water. This is at the new farm we got this year, the one that we burned off early in the season, and the water's gone down probably 1.5 feet from the looks and stuff. So this is gonna be bad. That hay's probably not gonna be no good. I mean, that sucker is about like a lake out here. Yeah, there's something on this hay bale. Looks like snow. I have no idea what kind of growth that could be. But I do know that it smells like sewage out here. I mean, it smells just like raw sewage. Oh, that hay's trash. I don't have no idea what this is growing on it. Like I said, it's white. Looks like snow. Let me try to get a hold of the agriculture guy in my area and get some thoughts on what we need to do here. There goes some more of that stuff growing on the bed. I'm trying not to get in this water. I said it smells like sewage. I have no idea what we got going on here. Whatever it is can't be good though. And the water's gone down. I mean, it's Wednesday now. I'd hate to see how deep it was in here before it went down.